Now, our weekly commentary, Steel Resolve. Here's Sarah Steelman.
Thanks, Kevin. We are deep into the football season, and I keep thinking about the old adage, the best defense is a good offense. Since I'm a huge Kansas City Chiefs fan, I'm a little worried if that is actually true. The Chiefs have an awesome defense this year, full of playmakers. Maybe we will know if that's really true when the Chiefs play the Broncos next month. A lot of pundits are saying it about the Republicans as well. We need a good offensive strategy. In other words, we need to say what we are for instead of railing about what we are against. Many prognosticate that if we stay on defense, so to speak, we won't win back the presidency in 2016. However, in football, statistics actually support the fact that both good offensive and good defensive teams have won about the same percentage of games. Tobias J. Moskowitz and I. John Wortham, in a post on Freakonomics, calculated that in 10,000 regular season games, the better defensive team has won 66.5% of the time compared with 67.4% of the time for the better offensive team. You know what I think? I think it's the team with the playmakers that do the best. We Republicans could use some better offense for sure, but if Republicans are going to make a strong national comeback in 2016, they need to do less talking and take more action. We need playmakers. When my boys played football, they played both ways. I yelled at them like a crazy mother from the sidelines, make something happen. Be a playmaker. Maybe if we shout loud enough too, they will hear us in Washington. This is Sarah Steelman for SarahNet Radio.
Tune in again next week for another segment of Steel Resolve right here on the Palin Update.